which really leads us into the second topic here, which is self control. Because even though we might have different skills that we could use in a different situation, that we could use in a crisis, it doesn't always means that we should. Sometimes, you have to understand what your role is in a crisis situation, in any situation, really. Is it to take the lead? Is it to speak up? Or is it to kind of bite your tongue, sit back and see what's going on? Especially if you're someone who's more junior, on a team or in a situation, do you have that perspective? Do you have that wisdom to interact yet? And a lot of times in those situations, the wisest thing a person can do is not to say anything. And that can be very difficult because in our society, we're bred to interact. We're bred to say something. We want to be out front. And sometimes that might be exactly the wrong thing that needs to happen in a crisis situation, depending on what your responsibilities are. Now, the flip side of that is if you're a leader, you have an expectation of helping to correct the situation, then you need to be out front. One of the integral parts of crisis communication is communicating with all impacted parties during the lifespan of the crisis. Now, at the beginning, especially, you might